There are many products available to choose bread-proofing basket, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best bread-proofing basket from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. ANPHSIN Proofing Basket. If you run through bread quickly or simply want to make some large, impressive loaves for your next dinner party, consider this 13-inch rectangular Banneton. The proofing basket is much longer than it is wide, the right shape and size to make thick sandwich loaves, and it offers a high volume. Another plus is the low price, made even sweeter by the fact that there's included a scraper for shaping and portioning dough, and a linen liner to avoid sticking. Problem is, the rough linen fabric also sticks to dough somewhat. We'd advise using lots of flour in the basket and liner to prevent problems. Number 2. St. Germain Bakery 10-inch Premium Oval Banneton. A big round bowl is beautiful, but when you cut the loaf, every slice is a different size, not optimal for making sandwiches. Our favorite oval basket makes oblong country-style loaves instead, which yield a more consistent slice profile you can stack with meats, vegetables, and condiments. It's made by a small family business in Vietnam, using natural rattan that's dye and chemical-free, and its 10-inch size is ideal for medium to large loaves. I like to have multiple shapes for different loaves of bread, Germain says. I use this for my longer loaves. Number 3. Frieling Breadtopia Proofing Basket. Made from natural cane, the thin but durable core of the rattan tree, this proofing basket is easy to work with, even if you're a beginner bread baker. Just sprinkle flour inside and the dough should slide right out for an effortless transfer to whatever baking sheet or bread cloche you're using. The height and size of this cloche are perfect for my bowls, says Food and Wine Senior Editor and resident bread expert Jennifer Germain. Sometimes proofing baskets can be too small, but this is just right. The smaller base-to-rim ratio allows for a more dramatic angle inside the basket, yielding rounder bowls with a better chance of high oven spring. The Breadtopia is rather pricey, especially because it's smaller in capacity than the other baskets on this list, but it's a luxurious investment for anybody with a baking habit. It also doesn't include a liner, and Frieling's custom liner is predictably more expensive than competitors too. Number 4. Breadtopia Round Rattan Proofing Basket. This proofing basket from Breadtopia comes highly recommended from the pros. We buy from Breadtopia because the rattan is stronger, and the quality seems better, Reed says. Breadtopia sources its rattan directly from growers in Indonesia, where the baskets are also handmade. If you dust the proofing basket well with flour, your dough should release easily from the smooth material, but you may want to spend a few extra bucks on the sewn-to-fit cotton liner. Either way, you'll have a quality proofing basket at an excellent price.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.